What's up, guys? So today's topic is low RPM or high RPM. High RPM usually occurs after cleaning the throttle, and low RPM occurs when the throttle is too dirty. Okay, so the reason why it is too low and it is too high is this: the IACV, the idle air control valve. So if it's too dirty, you will get an low RPM, and if it's clean the wrong way, it is you will get an high RPM, like what I've encountered. Just like that, I encounter high RPM stuck up on 2.5 RPM. So I discovered when you clean this, the lubricants of the flapper closing the air passage or opening the air passage is clogged up when you don't lubricate the flapper. So I will teach you how to clean this properly. I also in throttle body, do not ever use carburetor cleaner, because carburetor cleaner is for carburetor and throttle body cleaning is for throttle. From its word, it is really direct. So don't use carburetor cleaner in a throttle body, and don't use throttle body cleaner in a carburetor. It will mess up everything, because throttle cleaner has a little amount of oil to fix some moving parts inside the throttle. So let's go. I'll teach you how to properly clean this and solve your low RPM or high RPM problem. In addition, to find the IACV on your throttle, just look for coolant enter. There is two hoses for coolants, in and out. So look for in and out coolant in throttle to find the IACV valve. Okay? Okay, so to clean this, we will be needing a throttle cleaner, throttle body carby and choke cleaner. So okay, we will be needing this and any kind of lubricant, and engine oil, singer oil, any kind of lubricant, as long as it will lubricate the flapper in this okay. So let's start. To clean this, always put this electronic upward in above, so the liquid of this will not destroy the electronic inside. So the cleaner will just fall down, slide down. Okay, so we will clean. we will be using clean cloth to clean some part inside. Okay, after cleaning those up, all the residue of dust after cleaning it, so we need to lubricate the flopper to make the flopper easier to flop, no resistance. So this is the flopper. I hope you can see the flopper there. I'll try to move it so you can see. So now the flopper is hard to move. It's not, I'm trying to open it but it's not working. So we will lubricate that. It is important to lubricate this for the flopper to move without resistance. So we're gonna put some oil. Just a little. There. Let it sit in this position. Then we will try to move the flopper again. Still not moving. So we're gonna squeeze a little here. We don't have to put so much lubricant here. We just need something to lubricate the flopper. So to encounter this, we just need to dry it up with the cloth. There. So once you see this flopper moves, you are now okay. Wait. The reason we need to lubricate this part and this part and this part is to be this door will must be open and closing freely. That's the reason why we need to lubricate this part and this part. So let's see if this closing is moving freely. The way I see it, it is moving properly. So the lubrication for both sides is successful. So that's one of the sensitive and important you must do before returning this to throttle to fix your RPM problem. Okay, the reason why it is high because it is not closing or it is not opening. That's the reason behind. Okay, so this is my today's video. Hope it helped you, and hope you learned from this, because I experienced this and had an anxiety for a month before figuring this out. I even bought a surplus of this. So hopefully this video uh, hope you will learn from this video. So thanks, and see you on the